Okay, let's continue with this drawing. This is the vent, and the last time looking at this vent section, and it appears to be in right above, right below where I want it to be. I want it to be up in this area where this bar joist is. Okay, so let's go back to our 3D views, because if I raise my vent, I don't want it to break, and so if I raise this, all of this system is going to move up. All of this is going to move up, so it doesn't look like it's going to break anywhere. So let's go back to our section view, and what I want to do is move all of this vent system up, 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 up. Okay, so now I think, let's see, this one. Okay, so now it's up in the area that's being exposed. Okay, just didn't want it to go through this area. So now the vent system looks like it's, I can deal with that being above. Let's go, that's too much. Now I'm doing too much. Okay, so it's not going through the wall here. It's going up in the wall cavity and going over, being exposed along with the rest of the pipe and the structure that's up here. So if they want to partition this roof off, then they can. But so that's the vent system. And if you noticed, the vent showing on the floor plan is no longer there. And the reason is because it's probably, I'm sure it's a view range problem. So we're going to go to the view range, and let's go back and see section, what is it at? Let's see, it is at 1110. So let's make it 12 feet. Let's go back. Where am I? Vent. And we're going to go to the view range. It's in here somewhere. Let's make it active so we can get our view range. And the level above, let's make that 12. Okay, and now we should see our pipe showing. Okay, so that is not SS. I think I was just doing something. That's probably a text, because there's a difference between text and tags. I think this is a text. You look over, that's a text, and we can apply a tag. This is a tag by category, and it's going to come down, and that is that's not 2-inch SS. Okay, let me do this. Let's erase this, and let's go here. Let's use a free in, and let's go here. Free in 2-inch SS. That, okay, so that's not sanitary sewer, it's a vent. So I'm going to click on my vent pipe and go over and see what's going on. You see this type mark? It says SS, and that's what's controlling it. So I'm gonna type just this V here, and it should change. Let's erase this. I'm gonna, okay, leader, free in, here, 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 and however, I mean, wherever you can put this. I mean, it can go anywhere, right? You go here, here, anywhere. It can go back here. Okay, so that's that. And let me erase this now that I have the right type mark on here. Everything should be okay. It should come over, and it should say vent. So I'll tag this, and it says vent. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so this is what we have. Now that our vent system has been laid out, I'm going to put it on a call out so I can put it on a sheet. Okay, so this drawing is on sheet A101. Should be P101, but let's go to the sheets and let's go down. Okay, so what I can do, I can type sheets and we can look at, okay. So I can rename this. That's just a goal. Let's go with P, and it could be any name, whatever name you choose. Let's rename this one also while I'm here. I'll just say P102, 101, and that should change this. And I think it's similar over here. Okay. And the way you get similar is, I'm going to erase this. Let's go back and just do another. I can go up to my call outs, okay? So go to view and call out, rectangle, and the reference is P101, 1P101. So I can go and reference another view. It's similar. So it's going to be P101. Let's call out. Call out 5, 1, P101. So I'll select it, come over here, okay, and it attaches the, I don't know, the name similar. I think I can change that. Let's go, yeah, I can reference label, so whatever that label is, maybe I'll type a big M. It should change, right? Okay, so undo that. So you can do whatever you want to do with this, but it's telling you that it's a reference. You can change it to REF if you want, but similar, or you can change it to whatever. Or I think can you erase this? Let's see if we can not put anything here. Delete. Is that going to work? Yeah, it works, but you don't want to do that, because you have two P101s, and that's not too smart. Okay, so you can name that whatever you want. And so for this 5th level, I'm sure there's going to be others that are similar to this layout. Let's go to 4. Okay, I'm going to go to 4. And again, we want to highlight, we want to bring the view, bring the plan into view if we're going to go above or below to see the exact floor plan above and below it at the same location. So I'm going to go 4, level 4. Okay, so you see that that is similar, or it's exact, or it's similar. Let's go to 4, let's go to 5. So we have our washer and dryer and our shower, and it's the same as in 4. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this an enlarged plan, and then when I get to 4, level 4, I can use the same reference here. It's going to be a similar layout. So we go to call out, and we go here, and we can just come here. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this view on a sheet. Where are we? I think this is call out 6. Okay, so when we go to our sheet, let's go to P101. It could be any sheet, whatever sheet it is, and here's our vent call out, and we just drag it over, place it wherever you want, go back to our floor plan, and it's number 3 on sheet P101. Let's go back. So this is number 3. Okay. So So it automatically updates for you, tells you if these are in blue, that means they are on a sheet. Okay, so I think that I'm gonna leave, let's see, this note 1, there's a note 1 here. I think that's gonna be on a sheet. Let's go here, note, okay, so that is just a note, okay, and it has to be filled out. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna look on 2, let's go back, what happened? Okay, 3, 1. Maybe there should be a reference. Let's go. Where's my sheet? Let's go back to my sheet. And SHEE. Let's go sheet. And go here. I think it's on 2. Okay, so that's number 1. So it's a 2-inch vent up. 5. Okay, so you can call that out, or you can come over to annotate and use a text, and you can use this. Come here, here, say a 2-inch vent up. Okay, you can do it like that, or you can use a note. Let's do this. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop here, and a lot of work to be done, but what I wanted to point out was that we needed to move this vent pipe up. Let's see, I don't have this. Let's go back and let's go here and look at our section box, so that our view, did I turn off the vent piping? Filter. Oh, there it is. Okay. So that looks okay. This is going up. It's not. It's in the structure area. Okay. So I hope that helped, guys. I'm moving right along. Okay. We'll talk to you guys later.